Today's session, you're going to learn about a new AI tool with the help of which you can learn how to write applications using Chat GPT. You need to use any of your email along with me. So that one. I can do it from here. Now, I want to understand what is color scale formatting. Commonly based on values of each cell. Apply that one. We can apply. So let me just go to conditional formatting. Now, I don't know what is a highlight cell rule. So I'll ask my chat GPT, what is highlight cell rule? Value. I'll go to format E or the range of 90. And if it is not in between, apply in the Excel sheet. I'll go to insert. I'll go to chart, multiple workbooks. So many of you must be having a doubt how to add all the 2 to 3. So it is giving me all the details of it, how to do that. So so here I go, I'll deselect all the things. I select the t-shirts, I click on OK, and here you are according to the conditions, each one of you to practice with it.